Yo, it's good YouTube, it's your boy Tyrone. So in this video, I'll teach you guys a CPN funding tutorial of 2025. How to get loans under a CPN profile. So this is a video that's technically on the mentorship exclusive side, but I will leak this for you guys just because. So if you guys get the mentorship, you get videos like these where I explain a lot of things in detail, how to get certain credit cards, how to do certain stuff with CPNs and credit cards, everything you need to know. So let's get out to it. Step one, how to obtain CPN. So there are multiple options. You can purchase one through cpnpackage.com. This is the best site to purchase CPNs. You guys can go through other vendors, but this is what I recommend. You can also create your own CPN, which is basically free. Just go through, SSN check, SSN.org or whatever, a validator site to create a CPN, trimerge and everything. But if you buy CPN through a vendor, they're going to have it trimerged and, they done public records with trade lines added. So try get like a pre-built CPN. And I also build CPNs as well. So you can get one for free under the mentorship, but you will have to get trade lines added, and I do provide trade lines as well. On to the next one. Step 2, documents. What is needed? You will need 3 to 6 months worth of bank statements. Now, when it comes to CPNs, you will be adding your own bank statements to where it matches the CPN. If the CPN is under your name, you can just use your own and add the numbers around to that states you make around 10K or over. If the CPN is not under your name, you can just add your own bank statements, add the address to where it matches your CPN. Then you will need the front and back driver's license. This is very crucial. So if you know a person that makes IDs, I gotta make it. You could use your own IDs. All you gotta do is change the address to match the CPN number if the CPN is under your name. And of course, you need a good credit score to get approved for the funding. Next slide. Step 3, trade lines. Have at least 3 to 5 or more trade lines. Funding estimate based on trade lines added. 5 to 10K, 3 trade lines. 5K to 30K, 5 to 7 trade lines, 30K to 60K, 8 to 13 trade lines, and lastly, 70K to 100K and up, 15 to 25 trade lines or more. This is what you need to do. Then you have your step 3, continued. Do not add AU trade lines. They are completely useless and does not help you get loans. Only get primary trade lines. And you can also purchase them from Tradeline Privacy. I highly recommend it. They have lots of services. You guys can just check it out on the site. Next, on to the next. Step 4, applying. Do not apply over 10 lenders. So don't overdo it. Don't go crazy or else you get denied. And make sure the CPN address is not linked to you. So don't use your actual address. And of course, when you apply, the income has to be over 10K a year. And the best 2 sites I recommend is SoFi and BHGFinancial.com. BHG Financial approves up to 200K. If you try and get 200K, make sure you have way over 10 trade lines. A guarantee will be around 20 to 30 trade lines. And that's including credit bureaus and stuff. Step 5, loan deposit. You need an account and roll number. Open a bank with CPN. Loans take up to 48 hours, and you can use Zelle or Wire to cash out. I know with the cash out is use the CPN debit card. Link it to Apple Pay, Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal. If you know how to open a bank, it's the same process as your own info. If you guys need help with the bank openings, just hit me up on that. My number is in the description. Step 6, you rinse and repeat. You can either keep creating them at trade lines or just buy more CPNs and burn them out. Open more accounts for deposits. The more bank accounts, the better. You guys can just move the money around, transfer it around and stuff. Or you can convert the funds to crypto to be on the safe side. and you have to watch out for the weekly limits because Zelle has a monthly limit, of course, and Apple Pay, everything else has a limit, and Cash Out. Loans are also tax free, so you won't, be taxed with the 1099 forms at all. Okay. All right. Now, other info. You don't have to pay back the loans. Obviously, it's a CPN. It won't be linked to you, so it's okay to not pay back the loan. Nobody ever does. Never use a CPN off Facebook. So if you see any Facebook vendors, Facebook CPN pages, avoid those. Those are finesses. Those are scams. Okay. Stay away from Instagram people. I say you stick with the credit repair people on Instagram, but stay away from people who are trying to sell CPNs on Instagram or Telegram, and TikTok vendors. If there are any, avoid them at all costs, especially the apartment people on Telegram and the TikTok especially. There are a few people promoting apartment approvals that are not legit. Don't go through them. Okay. Your best bet is YouTube vendors. YouTube vendors are way better than other platforms. So stick with YouTube. They're way better. Okay. There's lots of other YouTubers that I recommend as well. Don't apply more than 3 sites per CPNs just because you don't want to overdo it. And there's a limit. And you can also create a CPN under the LLC to get business funding up to 30 million. As long as you have history, you have H Corps and business trade lines. Okay. Now let's talk about the business part in another video. Then lastly, you guys can hit my number. It's 424-423-6776. And I don't use Telegram. I do have one, but I am not active on there at all. I'll be on there if you ask for it, but otherwise, I won't even have a Telegram in the description. So, if I ever leave one, it's not me. I only use a text number. And if you join the mentorship, you get access to more videos like this. But please visit the sites in the description, like, share, and subscribe. And you can always buy trade lines and CPNs from me. Peace out.